All right, a few review questions. Is this circuit an open circuit or a closed circuit? Hmm, hmm, er, eh? So if we go through here, I'm going to try the thingamajigger. I'm using that word far too often this year. Sorry. So if this is our battery, for a closed circuit, we have a continuous path. So I can say, I choose any spot. I'm just going to choose the top of the battery, positive terminal of the battery. So I can trace a complete path all the way through. If I trace this complete path all the way through the circuit, hey, yeah, that should be a closed circuit, right? I can trace a path, a complete path all the way through that circuit. So closed circuit. Is this a open circuit or a closed circuit? Give you a second. Open or closed? And open, right? We can't trace a complete path. We start here, we go up, over, there we go, shooty boop, down there, and now there's this gap, right? So that means that it's an open circuit. Thanks for typing the stuff in there, folks. I appreciate it. And then I'm including the actual diagram over here, not an actual diagram, but the FET version. Open circuit, closed circuit. What do you think? I should get that music in the background. Open or closed? Bloop. And turns out it's open, right? So if we choose any spot to start, we can't go all the way back around, right? So if I take, I'm just going to start on this end, yeah. So if I start here, I can go through the wire, I can go through the ammeter, I can go through the wire, through the battery, through the wire, through the filament in the light bulb, and here, but I can't get back to the other side. And if you can't get back to the other side, open circuit. And if it's an open circuit, charges do not flow. Because it's kind of like if you have, remember, charges are actual things, right? So if we think of the charges here as actually being like people in a hallway, yeah? This hallway is closed here and closed over here. So we've got a bunch of people stuck in a hallway with both doors closed on either end. And if both doors are closed on either end, you can't get in or out. Everybody's just kind of standing there. You might be bumping into each other, but you're not moving through, right? So open circuit. Bloop. Open or closed? Jeopardy music? No Jeopardy music. An anonymous question in the chat. Do you get the chance to make multiple attempts on today's Google form? Yes, I believe I have it set so you can. If you've tried it and you can't, let me know, and I will make that change. So this should be a closed circuit because we have a complete path, right? We can start anywhere. So if I start here, I can go through this wire, through the battery, through the wire, into the bulb, through the filament, out the bulb, wire, wire. I can take this complete path all the way through and I can get back to where I started. So closed circuit. And then this one, same sort of question. This one now, open circuit. We have this opening here. And I spent way too much time on some other stuff. There's one more thing I want to make sure we